You know how it goes. One day you notice some nasty deep scratches on your ride. Normally, you would grab the paint, respray the whole panel, drop a fortune, the works, but hang on tight. What if I told you that with just a few basic tools and a tiny budget, you could get this exact result? Check this out. Boom! Scratches never even happened. Hey folks, Carfix here. I'm gonna show you how to handle the most specialized stuff at home like a boss. Join us and learn. Start off with some 2000 grit sandpaper and sand around the damaged spot until it's completely dull. Now take a razor and trim off the rough edges and peeling paint around the scratch. We're exactly talking about those little bits that have lifted off the surface. Just smooth them out with a steady hand. Next, use some 800 grit sandpaper to soften those edges that popped up. You just want to make the surface nice and smooth, so take it easy with the 800 cause we got more sanding ahead. With the 800, sand center of scratches. Now you can grab some 1500 grit sandpaper and work it by hand around the scratch, covering like 2 to 4 inches. This is going to make a smoother fade and improves adhesion for later. Now we are prepping a 2-component primer. Grab your 2K primer and stir in 1/6 hardener. Give it about 30 minutes to rest so it gets a bit thicker. This primer layer is what really holds the paint onto the surface, and it's way more durable than any filler. Use your brush to put the primer on damaged spot. Then you can drag it across with a spreader. Keep doing it until everything gets nice and smooth. Take a rag, soak it in thinner, and wipe off the extra primer around the spot. Depending on how deep your scratch is, apply as many as you need to even out the surface. Before you paint the panel, wait for the primer to dry. You can help it by giving it some extra heat. Alright, it's paint time. Because this ride is black, we're picking 21 black enamel. Take some paint, throw it in a cup and mix in around 10% hardener. The key thing here is don't overdo the hardener or it will work against you. Let it rest for an hour so it turns a bit pasty. In this time you can sand your primer to make it even smoother. Take a small brush, dab some paint right on the damaged spot, then spread it smooth with your little spreader. Wipe off the extra, wait about 20 minutes and repeat. Keep doing it till that whole area covered nice and even with black paint. Once our paint's dried, we can wet sand it and reapply the color a few times until we get a perfectly smooth, even finish. Time for the metallic paint. Get the exact color code from your ride. Keep that in mind, each car might have the code in a different spot. You will need to track it down. Just look at how this plaque's shining. Grab the amount of the metallic paint you need, throw in half as much clear and third of hardener. We apply our metallic coat just like we did with the regular paint. Let it dry, then repeat until it matches the car's original color under detailing lights. Here is a very important thing. After applying each layer, double the clear coat in the mix. You could sand to even things out, but here's the tip. Make that surface flat as can be while spreading with the squeegee. Once the metallic layer is on, sanding too much will mess up the finish. A little wet sanding is fine, just don't overdo it. We keep this process going until we hit the final layer. For that last coat, we mix equal parts of paint and clear coat and apply it evenly over the whole surface. Once we are done painting, we let it rest for about 8 hours so the paint fully dries. After that, we can move on to the final sanding and polishing. After a good wait, you can work the panel with 1500 grit sandpaper. Sand it smooth. Next up, we're moving on to polishing. Menzerna Heavy Cut 300 is my favorite. Start polishing with your orbital machine on a low setting. After the polish blends in, raise the speed to 3 or maybe 4 and go over it again. Congrats, your ride's shining like it came straight from the showroom. If this video taught you a thing or two, subscribe so you won't miss our next rides and tricks.